Good morning. Today we're making a day trip to the beautiful island of La Graciosa, opposite from Famara Beach, Lanzarote. I'm excited. Look at my rental. Certainly haven't been gentle. Car costs me about €85 a week. We are on our way to the ferry. We're gonna have to take the one at 12. So it's €78 for 3 people round trip. Isla Graciosa e Islotes del Norte. And this is La Graciosa. And we're here. The birds of the area. Bumpy, as expected. How are we doing? Doing good? Cool. Wow, I love my island. La Graciosa. I'm having the time of my life. I love boat rides. This place is even emptier than Lanzarote. So much space, no cars allowed. Here we are. That was barely 30 minutes, I'd say. All the boats have faces here. Not very friendly looking either. Welcome to La Graciosa, my friend. The town you arrive at is called Caleta de Cebo, and there's a couple of small shops, bars and restaurants. You can pretty much buy everything you need for a little excursion. Go hiking, rent bikes, bicycles, do some jeep tours. Looks like they're renting out diving equipment too. So the plan is to rent those bicycles and do a 5-hour tour around the island, visit a couple beaches, get a coffee somewhere. Lots of volcanoes, lots of rocks, sand. It's really beautiful to stand here and look at my favorite island, Lanzarote. I am cycling through the harbor of La Graciosa. And so is Maria. And Milo is getting settled. Ready to roll?
Literally.
You're tourists. I'm a local. We're planning to go to the other side of the island. We're now at the southern tip, or actually east. We're going all the way over to the west side, to Las Conchas, which is supposedly a beautiful beach. Whoa. It's not easy cycling across this sand. I've separated myself from the pack a little bit. Looks like it's gonna be a little bit of downhill from now on. It's not super easy. It's not super hard. Just like hard to dress correctly right now. But other than that, it's beautiful. For someone who spent so much time on Lanzarote, it's been about time. I see this, you know, this angle. Yeah, it's probably the hardest stretch. Yeah, right, totally. West Coast, motherfucker. As friendly and beautiful as this beach looks, it's very dangerous because it gets deep very quickly and the rip currents are very strong. So lots of people have drowned here already. Crazy, among all those rocks and rocky beaches and black sand and cliffs, you all of a sudden have this small stretch of the Caribbean. Beautiful. That was a beautiful beach. Came very unexpected. A piece of the Caribbean in the Canary archipelago. The weather isn't all that great today, unfortunately. It's a bit tricky to find the right clothing. You don't want to wear too much. When you cycle, you start sweating. If you don't wear enough, it's getting really cold. And now we're already on the way back to the harbor. All in all, I think it's just an easy 15-kilometer drive, or ride for that matter. Beautiful scenery. It's not much different than Lanzarote. Loads of crates and volcanoes, desert and cliffs and rocky beaches, except for this one beautiful stretch. I can only imagine this beach on a beautiful sunshiny day. It's gotta be mind-blowing. I'll definitely come back. I think I have to stop filming now. The road's getting a bit faster and more challenging. Pretty bumpy too. About 2 kilometers uphill further. Looks like a nice downhill stretch from here. The girls, where are they? Oh, they're nowhere to be seen. I'm right in the middle of the island between two big volcano crates. The only sound is the sound of wind. And my tinnitus is saying hello a little bit. Imagine you're born here. I made it back to town. Is this trip worth it? Well, it's nice to see Lanzarote from the other side. We've just seen like the most beautiful beach, supposedly. It was amazing. Other than that, it's like a lonely stretch of Lanzarote. No buildings except for here in this little town. I guess if you like that feeling of a secluded place, then you should definitely go. Hi there. Hello.
All good.
Here we are. Let's have a coffee. Like from about 20 years ago or 30 years ago. Fantastic. Woo. Awesome. We made it.
Yeah. Bien.
Nice one. Was a fun trip. Can recommend this. Anything else?
No, just nice, adorable, cute little island. Worth a visit for sure. But next time, e-bikes.
Yeah. Alright guys, see you. Bye.
Bye.